Okay guys, this is my 2015 MacBook Pro and I'm gonna trade in with the new MacBook 15 inch, no, the 14 inch M2 chip. So I'm going to the mall right now and do a trade in. So I'm gonna miss these. I know there's some similar features, right? So we'll just go and see, okay? So yeah, I went there and trade in my old MacBook Pro with the new one. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow because they are transferring all my data, file, and everything. So we'll be back to the store tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Okay, good afternoon, and we're back after 24 hours to pick up my MacBook Pro right over here at the Apple Store. So across the road, I don't have to stay in line. I don't have to stay in line because I'm just gonna pick up my MacBook Pro. Gotta look good while going to a expensive store. Okay, let's get inside and get it. There's a big line today. So yeah, I'm in the pickup line right now. I gave them my reference number. Right over here. Just gotta wait. Kinda excited, but just gotta wait.
So go. You're okay to erase, right?
Yes. Yep. Because it's already over here, no? So
Sorry.
it's already all over transfer.
Yep. You can check if you want before I hit the button. Whatever you want to do.
Just go ahead.
I'll go ahead and hit
Let's
erase.
see. 3.3 GB. Yep. That's all I have. Finally got it. So here we are, home finally. Do this unboxing right now. Oh, even this bag is expensive. Ta-da! The 14-inch MacBook Pro. This is the 2023 version with the M2 chip. And by the way, this bag is expensive. Do not throw it away. Just saying. Okay, and I'm excited. This is my new MacBook Pro. I sold my 2015 one. If you want to watch a video on it, it's right on here. Here, somewhere over here, okay? The annotation. Yeah, I don't know what's that called, but it'll be over here. I'll put it over there. So check it out. I miss my old MacBook Pro because it had a lot of good features than this one. Too many years passed by. Well, the reason I just got this new one is because it has a better chip. It processes well. The thing is, when I'm trying to edit videos, it slows down, and I cannot even upload properly or not stream on Twitch properly, and the stream lags. Even the net is good, so this is here. I am really humbled to have this right now. Look at it, it's so fresh. This time they have this type of matte paper cover with it, and there's stuff written on there. Oh my god, this is black? It's supposed to be white, but this time it's changed. I don't know, I don't buy MacBooks every year, but just saying, that's cool. I can see my own reflection over here. I can comb my hair looking at myself. Oh, just kidding, just kidding. That thing glows. I don't know. I hope it glows. The logo and the back. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Well, okay. The shape is really different than the one I had. 2015. Dude, it's so cold, man. Woo, woo. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, what did I do now? Be careful. Whoops. A bit messy over there. And I've done that. Glad. I hope I didn't break anything. Okay, there's that envelope that they always give. Look at that. Looks like toy box. Damn, it's too cold. I'm a bit sensitive. I really love the shape of this. It's like that compact Mac. What is that? Compact computers back then in the 90s. They had a laptop that was shaped like this, a bit thicker. You see how thin is it? It's not that even thin, but my previous one was not that thin. It was thicker than this, the 2015 one that I had. Okay, we have the charging system wire over here. It's not made of rubber anymore. USB-C, yes, we have the USB-C. And this is irritating stuff out. Come on, oh my god, look at that. That's good. It's a good way of packaging wires, not tangled up like other laptop unboxing videos. Okay, it's really small. I didn't expect that, Apple, but it's good. Small in size. It's this much. The previous ones are like this much wider. Oh my god, annoying. There you go. It's magnetic. You can see that. Everybody knows that. Even if your cat or dog, walks by, or if your baby pulls it, your laptop's not gonna fall. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, I have my hair on there. Hair fall. Oh, adapter. Oh, this is different than the previous version of the MacBook. It used to come with another plug with it to join it with an extension cord. Extra one, like attachable. This is detachable. Oh, okay. This is also it's pretty smaller than the one I have, the older one. It's like a soap, bathing soap. La 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 la. Just kidding. Okay. Oh, this one has an Apple logo on it. The previous ones don't have that. As you can see now, it does. Reflection in the outside window, you cannot see. There you go. You can see now. I think this comes off. Oh, it comes off. Shouldn't have done that. It says USB-C power outlet. It's 67 watt. So that means your laptop will charge within 20 minutes, just like the iPhone. So simple. Oh, let's say the love letter from Apple. The M2 chip is really good. You don't need to get an M2 Pro Max. M2 Pro is enough. Okay, the dock, the finder. This is a guidebook, probably. Oh yes, it is the guidebook. I haven't got these. I haven't seen these in the previous ones though. I haven't seen other YouTubers showing it, but there you go. I'm showing it right now. Okay, SD card slot, the Thunderbolt, everything's over there. Glad. Okay, where's the stickers at? I want to know. I want to see. Oh, God, I don't want to rip it. Okay, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's glued on there. I don't need that. Oh, there it is. But I want to know what's in there. In this thing. Or nothing. Oh, it's black this time. Apple. Black. Something different. They should have given us like at least 12 stickers of 12 different colors. That would be much better. Okay, but what's in this thing? It's glued, so I wouldn't really bother about it. So I just want to go get into this right now. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, it's already glowing. It's almost gonna say welcome to me. Oh, it doesn't say welcome because I actually transfer everything from my old MacBook Pro to this one. Yeah, as you can see, the brightness and the fingerprint. I have to set up the fingerprint. So let's skip this, okay? Entering my password. Accessibility. Features adapt your Mac your individual needs. You can turn them on how to help you finish the settings and further customize them later in the system settings. You know what? Let's not do this now.